Hi, I'm David Goldshaw, President of Oshaw Dental Productions. Here in Canada, I'm looking after the technical education and demonstrations training for the Yates Motloyd, Chicago-based company, manufacturer of some fine products. I'd like to show you the Coldpac Tooth Acrylic. Again, this material comes in a choice of the Nu-Hue or the Vita shades. And there's also the new thing we've introduced recently is the whitening shades. Now these are perfect for where teeth have been whitened and we need to match those shaded teeth. First off, I'm going to pour a small amount of the liquid, the monomer, into a mixing vessel and then add our acrylic. With the special dispensing tops that we have here, we're able to put out just a small amount of the material and then apply that into our mixing vessel until we have the required amount. This is normally done by hand-eye ratio, and it's easy to mix. Once the material has combined together, we then apply the materials until we have a nice consistent mix. At this point, the materials can then be poured into our mold. The molds can either be of the general nature where we're using our alginate impression. They might be a polyvinyl impression material, or in this case I'm using as a secondary backup this material, which is a thermoplastic based material. These are normally, as the materials applied into our mold with a light basis, the material starts to thicken fairly quickly. Once it's sufficiently thick, it's then applied into the mouth again for the patient or onto the model. And once it reaches a dose stage of approximately 2.5 minutes, it's then removed from the mouth or the model and then left to set. We can trim away all the excess material and then polish it. The nice thing about the material, polishes to a nice high luster. After polymerization, hardening, the material is then ready to use. And you'll notice that we have a very nice, smooth, almost polished surface ready to work with. At this point, should we wish to polish, we're then able to use a variety of our products from the Yates Motloyd line.